Hi guys, welcome to Becodewala. I welcome you to the new tutorial where I am going to show you how to get the Cloudinary cloud name, Cloudinary API key and Cloudinary API secret. So to get this all data, we have to go to the Cloudinary website. And if you are new to our channel, please don't forget to subscribe, share and like our tutorial. So here you can search the Cloudinary on your browser and click on the first URL. You can see that https cloudinary.com. So click on the first URL and here you can see that the login and sign up. So if you have not created an account, you can go with the sign up, and if you have an account, you can go with the login. So I'll create a new account, your email ID, so that your data should be safe, right? So you are allowing your data to use for the Cloudinary services, right? So I have logged in with my Google account, right? And it will go to the console of cloudinary.com, and it will ask you some question. You can give it or you can skip it, right? So I'm going to skip it. So here you can see that here you can the top you can see that this is the Cloudinary app name. So this is the Cloudinary app name. See, Cloudinary app name, this is the Cloudinary name. So this is the cloud name. You can see that DBOPDIB42. So this is the cloud name that we get from the Cloudinary. And how to get the API key and API secret, right? So to get the API key and API secret, we have to go below. Here you can setting in the left side inside neighbor setting option. So click on setting and click on API key here above in the top, and here you can see that this is the API key that we have, and API secret. See, you can like view and copy and paste. So I'm not going to show my API secret. So keep your credential safe, right? Don't share with anybody. So here you can get the API key, API secret, and this is the cloud name. So you can use in your project, and when you use this, your all the data, like here all the usage image that we uploaded and everything will be shown here. So we have created just new account, so no data has been there. So you can create your account and use in your project, so that. And here you can see that I have started a blog month with the month stack. So here I am going to teach you the everything, like Cloudinary, MongoDB, everything. So here how to upload your image on the Cloudinary, right? And how to access your Cloudinary image and other things, right? That we are going to see in this tutorial. So this is the part 1 of my blog website. So I'll create the part 2, part 3. So in the backend I will explain everything. So must watch this tutorial. So hope you guys like the tutorial how to get this Cloudinary secrets, right? So thanks for watching. We'll meet in next tutorial with a new magic project. So thank you.